Welcome to my course, Hands-on Machine Learning, including Deep Learning with R. In this course, I want you to become highly qualified on all important fields of machine learning. After this course, you will be able to understand the concepts of different machine learning algorithms, and you will be able to apply this in your private and professional projects. Let me introduce myself. My name is Bert. I studied aerospace engineering and economics, but eventually I transitioned more and more into the field of data science. Now I am working as a data scientist and still feel every day the passion for this amazing field and this great technology. With this course, I want to enable you to become highly qualified in machine learning, so that you can perform analysis independently. You will know about the advantages and disadvantages of different models and when to use which one. You will get access to an interactive learning experience that will help you to understand the concepts much better. In this course, code will never come out of thin air via copy-paste. We will develop every important line of code together, and I will tell you why and how we implemented it. The course covers many different techniques, but it is not static. Since technology is evolving, I will extend the course. Additional chapters will be created with time, and you can influence which additional topics should be covered so that you are up to date on technological advances. Just contact me. I will also answer every question you have in our forum. A strong focus is on exercises. On nearly each section you find an exercise that you should do on your own and compare with my solution afterwards. Many quizzes will also help you to consolidate your knowledge. To achieve this objective, you will learn everything necessary. We will cover all fields of machine learning: regression and classification techniques, clustering, association rules, reinforcement learning, and finally deep learning. For each field, different algorithms are shown in detail. Their core concepts are presented in one-on-one lectures. Here you will understand how the algorithm works. Then we implement it together in a lab lecture. I encourage you to work on exercises on your own before you watch my solution lectures. With this knowledge, you can clearly identify a problem at hand and develop a plan of attack to solve it. That sounds ambitious? Yes, indeed. But don't be afraid, you can do it. And by the way, it is really fun. I chose practical examples that are relevant and interesting to work with. You can check what you learned in many summaries, quizzes, or by using our interactive dashboards on the course homepage. So you want to really understand what machine learning is and how you can apply it to solve problems? You are willing to learn and have a high learning curve? Then this is the right course for you. We will start with basic classical techniques and finish with extremely powerful deep learning models. The course is suitable for beginners who have at least some experience with R, but also for R users who have a lot of programming experience and want to dive into the world of machine learning. Buy the course now and I will be happy to welcome you. You are still not convinced? Read the detailed course description to find out about all content that we will deal with. If you have any questions, I will be there for you and answer all your questions. Or take a look at some sample lectures, or visit some of my interactive learning dashboards. Furthermore, there is a 30-day money-back warranty, so there is no risk for you taking the course right now. Don't wait any longer. See you in the course.